Hi, kids. Have you ever seen an elephant? They are funny with their big trunk, but what do they do with their trunk? Well, it serves as a nose, but also a hand, an extra foot, a signaling device, and a tool to gather food, siphoning water, dusting, digging, and much more even. Elephants don't drink with their trunks as if they were straws. Instead, they use them like a cup or a glass, holding the water, then pouring it into their mouths. Let's try to draw an elephant then. As usual, when drawing animals, I like to start with the outline of the head. Elephants have elongated incisor teeth called tusks. We're drawing them now. They're made out of ivory, and they use them to dig up food and lift objects. Now let's do the trunk. We draw the line down in between the tusks and then back up. Time to draw the eyes. A nice circle to the right and another one to the left. I try to draw them at the same level. I did pretty good here. I add a little dot on the inside for the pupil. The elephant's looking at me now, huh? So now I'll add some eyebrows to give it a little personality. And now I'm gonna do the big ears on the side of the head. I draw the outline of the ear on the right side first. It's nearly like a big square. I add the second line inside at the top. This will help us for coloring later. Let's do the other ear. It's pretty much the same, but it's a little smaller because it's slightly further away. This gives the illusion of perspective. Now, to make it a little more real, I'm adding crease lines into the trunk. And a smile, too, of course. Let's outline the body. We leave spaces for the legs. On an elephant, legs are fairly easy to do because they're kind of straight. Just like that. The hind leg has a little more shape to it. This makes it look steadier. And now we'll add the back leg behind. To do the toes, I'm adding half circles at the end of the legs, just like this. And now, my favorite part, the tail. I love tails. I draw it in two parts. The first one is a long stroke, and then I add fur at the end. Gosh, this makes me want to grab it with my paw. Okay, let's color the elephant. We need 3 colors: gray, pink, and white. Let's start with the gray. And I color everything except inside the ears and the tusks. Then, with the pink crayon, I do the inside of the ears. And then, with the white crayon, I carefully color the tusks and the insides of the toes. I could also use a cream-colored crayon or a slightly off-white color. It's up to you. And if you feel like it, you could add a little green around the elephant for the grass, and blue up top for the sky, and even yellow for the sun. This is the moment to make the drawing yours by using your creativity through colors. There, a beautiful elephant. Now this made me thirsty. I'm gonna go get some water. See you next time. Bye.